Alright, welcome to video number 2. This video will talk about how to create a project, how to then invite people to your project. We'll talk a little bit about testers and owners and the different roles as well. You've already signed up, you're in this screen, you're in the default project, cool. Now, you want to create a project that's as simple as going here and clicking New Project. I can call this My First Project. I can add a description. Neat. And I'm gonna just bring a little bit of attention to this. I'll be talking about this a lot more in the next, in the last video. I don't recommend necessarily doing this here, maybe you do it later, but we also give you the option to kind of initialize from a template or otherwise, right? You may want to use this. Maybe not. Yeah, so to create a new project, you just do this, My First Project, neat, there you go. Now you've been taken to a new project. This project has nothing in it, no sessions, no annotations, no nothing. Now you can add builds, do all this stuff, but I kind of talk about how to add people to your project first. You can go here to Team, and your team will show the one user, which is you, because nobody's been added to this project. So you can invite testers by email, by putting in their first and last name and inviting them, but a much easier way to do this is by copying an invitation link. And now that's copied to my clipboard, you can see what it looks like. It looks something like this. And then you can send it to somebody else. I'm gonna pretend like I'm sending it to myself. I'm gonna go to this over here where I'm already logged in with a different account. And I'm gonna pop that in. And you'll see that once I click it, I've been now added to this project. And you can check it out. So now there's 2 members, as you can see. I can check out the team. Idan Third is the owner, that's the previous account that I just used, and Idan Beck, that's me right now. In this particular one, you can see that I'm now added. When I've been added like this, I can't invite people. I can't upload things, stuff like that. So this is up to your project owner to do. They have to go, so you can refresh, and you can see that Idan Beck has been added now as a tester. Because I'm the owner of the project, I can go click tester, can change them to an owner. Great. And now if I go back here, for example, you'll notice if I refresh, now I'm an owner. So an owner can upload builds, they can invite other people. There's not much difference between a tester and an owner except for really those 2 things. Also, testers can only see their own sessions. This is just kind of like a technical detail. If you play the game, testers can see their own, but they can't see other people's, and owners can see everything. So it's basically, you know, when you submit this game, your game, to the final judging of the game jam, you just will be giving us this invitation link, and then people will join, play your game inside of this project, and they won't be able to see each other's play and feedback, because you'll see what I mean by feedback in a moment. Yeah, that's kind of how you invite people to the team, and that's also, but by the way, when you're ready to submit your game for submission for your final thing, you basically will take this invitation link and send it to, basically post it in the Discord or send it to us, or however we talk about it on Friday, of what their best way to kind of do the final submission is, because then the judges will get access to your game by way of this project and this platform that we're showing you. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, not too complicated. If you have any questions about any of this stuff or have any issues, please just reach out to me directly. I can do everything here in the back end as well, fix things. If you get into a hole, I can undo them. So I'll be around to support in case anybody gets stuck or has any problems. Yeah, okay, that's it for creating a project and inviting people to it.